The Shad Mynsiem, the dance of peaceful hearts, has officially begun in Meghalaya, marking a significant cultural celebration for the Khasi community. The festival is a vibrant expression of peace, gratitude and unity held annually to welcome spring and celebrate the harvest season. On the first day, a traditional procession began at Maukar and ended at Waking Ground, Jayao, where prayers were offered to invoke blessings for peace. Hundreds of participants dressed in traditional attire joined in the joyous dances, symbolizing goodwill among the people. The festival, which draws visitors from across the state, highlights the rich cultural heritage of the Khasi people. Over the coming days, the event is expected to showcase more traditional dances and ceremonies.